Hello, welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about append and how we can use it to combine lists. So first of all, I'm going to go in the shortcut I made to a folder which has a Python file I made called append py, and now I will start off by printing a list, a main list, where then I will append it to other lists and combine it. I'm gonna name this list friends, and then I will write the list of a few of my friends. Okay guys, I made the list and I skipped that part in the video so you guys didn't have to wait for me. So now we will move on to the next bit, which is actually I'm going to make two empty lists. Then I will append friends list to those lists to make them longer. So first of all, I'm going to do less, 5 and less equals just empty brackets, because the list is empty. Then I'm going to make another list, which is more than 5 equals empty brackets. And 5 and less is this for whatever words that have 5 characters and or less gets printed into this list, and whatever if their name has more than 5 characters, it prints into this list. So now I'm going to go down and I'm going to make if or for loop for x, a for loop in friends. If length x, length means length, so if length of x is smaller than and equals 5, and less dot append x. So if I just put that like that and then I run it like this. Oh wait, no, first before I run it I have to print it. If I print friends, then I print 5 and less, this will show the things I've done so far. So far, if I go run it like this, run it. Wait, no, like that. Now it will run. So up here is the list of friends, the main list. Then down here is 5 and less, that list, but it's not empty anymore because append, we added all the names, all the names that have 5 or less letters. So for X and friends, which is the things in friend, the X's with less or equal to 5 letters will be printed, will be added to 5 and less. So now I will delete this and continue by doing the next thing, which is for more than 5, but this one is actually really easy compared to the other one because we already did that. So I can just do else because this is everything else. It's only 2, so it will be really easy on this. Then more than 5 dot append X. So now if I print friends and then print more than 5, if I run it, it will say the normal list, then the list with people with more than 5 letters. So this is 6 letters, this is also 6 letters. They're both 6 letters, which is above 5. So now I will go back and do friends, then in between print 5 and less to have them all together, and I will run that. Then this is the main list up here. That's the main list, which has everything. This is the list with 5 characters or less. Then this is the list with more than 5. So if you add these 2 lists together, they will become the main list. And you can also use append to append the whole list, which is the main feature. But this video shows how you can append certain names. And you can also do different things, like instead of length with list with numbers, you could do all the even numbers. But this is just one of the many ways. And that is it for this video. I will see you soon. Bye.